who we are and stuff.
Abby and Brittany were born with just one body between them.
My name's Abigail Brad Hensel, and Brittany Lee Hensel. Don't you dare say Eva.
The only known surviving dicephalous conjoined twins, they've spent their lives in a small, close-knit community, completely protected from prying eyes. The girls live on a farm in Minnesota, with their younger brother and sister, Cody and Morgan, and their mum and dad, Patty and Mike. As they reach 16, and on the brink of womanhood, they've decided to show the world what it's really like to be joined for life.
Abby, Britt, how you doing?
It's just an ordinary Monday morning in the Hensel household.
Abby and Brittany aren't morning people, and I think it's primarily because they have a harder time getting to sleep at night. So they do a lot of tossing and turning at night, and that is pretty much destroyed every morning. And so getting up in the morning isn't their favorite part of the day.
Every moment of their lives requires the twins to cooperate with each other. Each action is a display of perfectly coordinated teamwork. They appear to be totally in sync, but that doesn't mean they always agree.
Believe me, we are totally different people. Abby is more into pink and girly and puppy, and Brittany's more not into pink.
Should we wear this? No. How about this? No.
I like hats, and I like different color hair, like pink and purple, and gold hats, and gold purses, and weird earrings, and stuff like that.
This is our room.
We usually bargain with each other, like, if you do this, I'll give you that, or we take turns. We take turns a lot.
This is our nightstand. This is our bed. Those are pictures of our friends from 8th grade.
To describe Abby, she'd be bossy, and she's not as loud as she used to be. She used to be more outspoken. She gets irritated easily, and I don't know. She's nice, and she likes people. She likes to be with people, and she's a big talker. And, yeah. Brittany has become more outspoken, and she says her mind more than she's not so shy anymore.